Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Etymoofox 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. Require keep charging. Please always keep the dash cam plugged into your car's cigarette lighter to get power. The internal small battery 200 mAh is only used for maintain and save settings. The rear camera is not waterproof. Recommend install rear camera inside of your vehicle to achieve 24 hours/7 parking mode function. An extra hardwired kit is required. Choose to buy. This hardwired kit is customized for G900. Never purchase it from other vendors. Their hardwire kit will not activate the parking mode function of this G900 dash cam. Accurately capture clear and crystal videos during the day and night. Provide the significant evidence for car accidents. The Wi-Fi wireless dashcam easily access videos with app, iOS/Android available, convenient to view, download, and share the footage to social media. The 4K dash camera has enough heat dissipation hole on top and bottom of the dash cam body. It will work normally even in extreme weather. The 4K car dash cam can overwrite the oldest video with the latest video automatically when TF card is full. The G900 dash cam can auto lock the video as vital evidence when detects a bump happen even on road or during parking time. It won't be overwritten. Number 2. Global A810 Ultra dash cam. The A810 delivers improved front 4K, thanks to Sony's latest Starvis 2MX 678 CMOS sensor, which demonstrates sensitivity beyond the human eye as well as outstanding low noise characteristics. The 1.8 sensor doubles the low light performance. Front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR gives maximum coverage of the road, providing superior image clarity, enhanced color accuracy, and a significantly improved balance of exposure levels. f1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to ensure well-illuminated recordings in the dark. Exclusive 70 mAh night owl vision improves night footage, achieving better clarity, exposure balance, color saturation and light glare control. 60 fps high frame rate effectively prevents motion blur. Capture fleeting details on the road during high-speed driving with advanced AI motion detection algorithm. The A810 is able to identify suspicious human activities around the parked car, and activates recording automatically. Number 3. OBDPEAK H330 dash cam. The OBDPEAK H330 can switch screen display modes, with full screen display at will. It can display front plus interior/front plus rear on 2 screens, and front plus interior plus rear on 3 screens. The H330 car interior camera can achieve 180 degrees flipping, and when you don't need it, it can be flipped to align with the outside of the car, protecting your privacy and safety, and not recording scenes you don't want to record. The app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. It also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent an overwrite. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed kilometers per hour, miles per hour, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Recommend purchasing a version with a rear camera to provide you with real-time rear view when reversing. The length of the cable of the rear camera is about 6 meters. If you need longer cables, please contact the seller. Number 4. AZDOME M300 dash cam. AZDOME M300 is equipped with a wide-angle camera of 150 degrees, and FHD 1296p advanced sensor to capture the whole driving in crystal clear definition. You can view and download the videos on your smartphone through the dashcam's Wi-Fi and AZDOME app. No need to take out the TF card to check on the computer. By the way, the car DVR's Wi-Fi cannot be connected to the internet, it just supports about 9 FTS for you to connect to your phone. The lens of the f2.0 wide aperture allows for superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. The G sensor in AZDOME M300 will automatically save and lock a video in case of sudden impact or collision. Loop recording will also skip the emergency locked video. New recordings will overwrite older footage when the memory card reaches full capacity but will skip the emergency locked video. Locked files will not be overwritten. AZDOME M300 only supports English voice control to free your hand, such as take picture and open, turn off recording. Number 5. AZDOME M550 Pro Dashcam. The M550 Pro is an upgraded version of the M550. It replaces the HDMI connector of cabin camera with a Type-C connector, reducing the issue of cabin camera not being accessible to the host. At the same time, it has upgraded its Wi-Fi from 2.4 GHz to 5.8 GHz, providing more stable and faster speed when connecting to the mobile phone app. Ultra-high definition 4K, 3840 x 2160p. Images contain approximately 2.25 times the pixels of 2K. 2560 x 1440p images, which is almost the best resolution that can be achieved by current car recorders. It can clearly capture images of road conditions such as car license plates and road signs, and can display more detailed images, resulting in smoother visuals. Especially, the built-in wide dynamic range, WDR, technology also helps capture optimum lighting and image details in bright and dark conditions. So, be in day or night, view road signs and license plates vividly. f/1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light.